Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will talk about Streamlit Cache. So what is Streamlit Cache? So Streamlit Cache basically provides a caching mechanism that is very crucial for optimized performance. So whenever you have a very complicated application and you have to process lots of function, then you need to use this Streamlit caching. Now here you will be thinking that what is caching? So it's a technique that stores a copy of given resource and serves it back when requested for faster functioning. So let's suppose that if you have a function and it takes around about 2 3 5 or maybe 10 seconds, so you need to cache that function in order to optimize the performance. So that function will execute itself for the first time, and then our Streamlit cache will store the results of that function, and whenever user requests that function, the Streamlit cache will give the results, and this is how you will optimize your function using cache. Without wasting further time, let's jump right into the practical work, and let's create here a function. Okay, and I will name it something like def printr printer or something like that. Okay, and now here let's suppose that this function takes around about 3 seconds for processing. Okay, so here let's type a delay, so just write here time dot sleep sleep. Okay, and sorry, I'm sleep sleep. Okay, and then let's pass here something like 3 seconds. Okay, and we need to import this time module, so just write here import time. Okay, and now I just need to return a string. Okay, after 3 seconds, so just write your return, and I will say message. Okay, so you need to pass your message, and then here I will say st.writ write. Okay, and now I need to print the result of this printer function, so just write here printer printer. Okay, and I hope that this will work fine. Now whenever we rerun our application, this will take 3 seconds before it actually print the message. Okay, so let's see the output, and just type here streamlit run man concept.py, and let's wait. And yeah, this is our Streamlit application, and we got this message. Okay, so well, let's reload this application again, and it is running, and yeah, we got this message. Okay, so this is how this thing will work. So it basically takes 3 seconds before it print this message. Okay, and now what if I want to cache this function? So on first run it will take 3 seconds. Okay, and then it will cache the result, and then whenever we call our this printer function, it will give the results without processing each and everything else. Okay, so you just need to write here a cache decorator, so just write here this @ and then st dot cache. Okay, let's save it, and now let's reload this application and see the output. Okay, so it's running this printer function. Okay, and we got this message. But what if I reload this application? Yeah, we got our message, so it is actually not waiting for that 3 seconds, and the reason is that we have cached this function. Okay, and for example, if you click on the hamburger icon of Streamlit, here you will find an option clear cache. So what if I clear this cache, clear cache, and now if I reload this application, you will see that it will again take 3 seconds before it actually print this message. So let's reload it. It's running, and yeah, this is our message. Okay, so it is taking time, but if I again reload this application, now it will not take time. Okay, so this is how this cache work. And now for example, here I just want to print a message before I actually wait for some time. Okay, so just write here st.writ write. Okay, and I will say running running. Okay, let's save it again, and let's reload this thing. Okay, so we are actually getting this type of output. So how to solve this problem? Okay, so the solution is very simple. Here inside this cache decorator, you need to pass an extra argument, and that is suppress at warnings, okay, and by default it will be false. So we need to make it true, okay. So just write here true, okay. Let's save it again and let's reload it, and now you will not see this function, okay. Okay, so we got our message, okay, but let's clear the cache, clear it, okay, and now let's reload it. Okay, so we are getting this running message first, and then we got this message, okay. And now if I reload this application, what are you expecting? Will it print this running, or will it print just this message? Okay, so let's see the output. Let's reload it, and now we are getting this message, and the reason is that this Streamlit has cached this function, okay, and Streamlit has stored the output inside the cache. And now whenever you rerun this application, instead of running the whole function, it will just print the result, okay. And that's the reason why we are not getting this st.write message on the second and third and so on reruns, okay. So I hope that you have understood the concept of cache, and it's very important for optimized performance. And if you are performing text analysis, if you are using spaCy, or if you are using TensorFlow or Keras, then cache will help you a lot for training models, because all of those models take tens and thousands of seconds for training, and you do not want to wait for 10 minutes or 20 minutes after every reload, okay. And for that purpose you need to use this cache. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will see something new. Till that point, bye bye.